Despite the agricultural potential of the fields of genetically modified organisms or GMOs, it is still a misunderstood and maligned science. This is why today we discuss one such technology to better understand it, the BT eggplant. The leading scientist that developed this is Dr. Taylo.
I'm Dr. Lourdes
A
Taylo.
career scientist for 35 years. She has been working on the BT eggplant project for over 20 years now and continues to advocate for its commercial use locally. Did you know that eggplants, the so-called poor man's vegetable, is actually a high-value lucrative crop? But farmers face a serious challenge: pests and diseases, especially the eggplant fruit and shoot borer or EFSB. Every cropping season, farmers spray insecticides about 48 to 72 times, hurting their income and the environment by harming harmless insects. With BT eggplant, farmers can save 50,000 pesos per hectare and harvest up to 16 tons compared to just 6 tons with regular eggplants annually.
So ang focus nitong research na ito is to have an alternative solution against the eggplant fruit and shoot borer, which is the number one insect pest of eggplant. Ginawa itong BT eggplant is to reduce the insecticide application. Kailangan ng isang alternative solution, which is nag-resort na kami sa use of Biotechnology kasi wala kaming makuhang variety ng talong that is developed through conventional breeding that is resistant against this pest. Ang Biotechnology has been used since 1996 in other countries. Through an inception meeting held in 2002, scientists from the Philippines, Bangladesh, and India met to discuss and identify what are the problems. What is the problem in vegetables? We were given access to the Indian variety of BT eggplant para magkaroon tayo ng Pinoy na BT eggplant.
It all started with event EE-1 from the Indian variety of BT eggplant, which was crossed to local eggplants through conventional breeding. The BT magic lies in a tiny soil bacterium called Bacillus thuringiensis. It carries the Cry1AC gene, a natural insecticidal protein that specifically targets the EFSB. Through genetic engineering, this gene was isolated and then inserted into the eggplant's genome through a process called agrobacterium transformation.
Our biggest challenges is the regulatory system. It took 2 decades before we were able to get the final biosafety permit, which is the commercial propagation stage.
There are 3 stages within the regulatory system: the contained trial, limited confined field trial, and the multi-location field trial. There are currently 4 multi-location trial sites located in Pangasinan, Los Baños, Camarines Sur, and Cotabato.
So dito, tinitignan namin if the BT eggplant in Pangasinan will perform superior sa different areas din. True enough, consistent na highly effective yung BT eggplant against the borer even without spray across 3 seasons of planting and 4 areas. So nakita na rin namin yan na the impact of BT eggplant to yung mga soil-dwelling arthropods, yung mga pollinators, at wala siyang negative effect except for the EFSB. Pag nakuha namin yung permit na ito, pwede nang itanim ng farmer yung BT talong.
The BT eggplant faced legal challenges during its final stage for commercial propagation. In 2016, they were sued by Greenpeace in writ of kalikasan. Even if a permit was granted in October 2022, this temporarily stopped the distribution to the farmers as ordered by the Court of Appeals.
So after 2 decades, wala pang nako-commercialize or wala pang naitatanim na BT talong ang mga farmers hanggat walang approval ang Supreme Court.
They ended up filing a petition to have the court ruling reviewed. However, no timeline was provided, and the fate of the BT eggplant is still up for discussions. Despite the challenges, the BT eggplant has a number of achievements. publications and papers in local and international fora detailing the benefits and citations of it in conferences worldwide.
Kumbaga kami ay hindi pa nawawala ng pag-asa kasi habang andyan ang mga eggplant farmers, yun na lang ang nagpapalakas sa loob namin mga talong farmers.